What if the piece that completely transforms a room is not sitting in an expensive store somewhere, but is hiding in a pile of everyday materials just waiting for a little creativity? Today on Miz Angela Sawyer, we are diving into DIY home decor ideas that can turn ordinary spaces into something that feels personal, cozy, and full of character. I was scrolling through Pinterest and found some seriously creative ideas that stopped me in my tracks. From beautiful handmade pieces to clever decor projects that look far more expensive than they really are. Every idea I'm sharing today was found while scrolling Pinterest, and I have the Pinterest board linked in the description so you can check out the ideas and patterns for yourself and get even more inspiration. Some of these are simple and charming, some are surprisingly creative, and a few made me think, wait a minute, why did I never think of that before? As you watch, I want you to vote in the comments for your favorite DIY home decor idea. And once we reach 100 votes on a favorite, I might recreate it in my own Miz Angela Sawyer style and put my own twist on it. There is something special about creating decor with your own hands because a house becomes a home when you fill it with pieces that have a little creativity and a little story stitched into them. You know what is interesting about homes? People often think the most beautiful homes are the ones with giant budgets, expensive furniture, and rooms that look like they were copied right out of a magazine. We start believing that beauty comes with a price tag attached to it, like somehow a room only becomes special after enough money gets poured into it. We see perfect rooms online and start thinking maybe we need a bigger budget, fancier decorations, or more expensive pieces before our own space can feel beautiful. But then something unexpected happens. You walk into somebody's home and something feels different. Maybe there is an old window frame turned into wall decor. Maybe there is a vintage ladder holding blankets in the corner. Maybe there is a picture frame that was headed toward a donation pile, but now sits proudly on a shelf painted in fresh colors. Maybe there is an old mason jar transformed into something creative and charming. Suddenly, the room feels warm. It feels personal. It feels alive. That is because a home does not become beautiful because of money. It becomes beautiful because of meaning. Upcycling home decor has a way of adding little pieces of personality into a space that you simply cannot buy in a store. A mass-produced item might be pretty, but there is something completely different about looking at a piece in your home and remembering where it came from. Maybe that old wooden crate belonged to a family member. Maybe that thrift store vase was discovered during a random Saturday adventure. Maybe those forgotten pieces sat in a garage waiting for years before getting a second chance. Suddenly, it is not just decor anymore. It becomes a story sitting quietly in the room waiting to be remembered. Every scratch, every worn corner, every tiny imperfection starts becoming part of the personality of the room itself, and somehow those little details begin making a house feel more like home. The funny thing is, we sometimes spend so much time chasing perfection that we miss what actually creates warmth inside a home. Homes are not museums. They are places where life happens. They are filled with memories, laughter, family moments, and little details that make people feel comfortable the second they walk through the door. That is why creating home decor from upcycled items feels so special, because every project adds another layer to the story your home is telling. It becomes proof that creativity is more powerful than price tags. Sometimes an item that people overlook becomes the piece everyone notices first. Sometimes the thing people almost threw away becomes the thing that gets compliments. There's something kind of amazing about that because it reminds us that value and beauty are not always obvious at first glance. Sometimes they are hidden under dust, chipped paint, or something people considered old-fashioned. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe because we are always finding creative ways to turn ordinary things into something beautiful. I also have tutorial videos linked below along with other related sewing, craft, and upcycling videos you might enjoy watching after this one. I will also leave helpful products below like sewing machines, sewing machine needles, fabric tools, and crafting supplies that may make your own creative projects easier. Imagine someone visiting your home years from now and asking about a piece sitting on your shelf. Instead of saying you bought it somewhere, you get to smile and say that used to be something completely different. There is something powerful about that because it proves that beauty is not built by spending more money. Sometimes beauty is built by seeing value where other people stopped looking. Keep watching because there are more creative ideas coming up. And when this video is over, make sure you watch the next video waiting for you because I will see you there.